your left. The baby. That's it. Please keep your arms inside the delivery.
Who put spaghetti in the television?
Spaghetti? I thought it was a noodly surprise and maybe it's a little fun. I'm a noodle